My entire life I dreamed of travel. I had always wanted to travel, and I wasn't sure if I was brave enough to do that. And AJ made it possible. I feel like he gave me the strength and the power to say, let's do this, let's figure it out together. And we feel like we can conquer the world together. So I credit a lot of the travel experiences to you.
I feel like we're just getting started in our adventure, just seeing the world. I'm really excited about that. We have been together almost 17 years, and this summer we will have been married 13 years. With her, I could just be myself, and I know that together with Kelly, we can achieve anything. I mean, we've traveled around the world together, and a lot of it is because she's willing to go on those adventures, but also she is willing to make the adventures accessible for me. Yeah, she's an amazing person. I'm the luckiest guy in the world, absolutely. You know, we've never been here before, but we did know a couple of things. One is that Visit Mesa was welcoming us, right, as travelers with disabilities.
The beauty here is this was built with accessibility in mind.
That was pretty cool because, you know, automatically then, whatever gaps we needed for accessibility, we knew that there would be local support to help us. I have been in a wheelchair almost 30 years. It was a long adjustment. I spent almost 10 years in a deep depression. And it was travel that really helped me start getting out of that. And then I started just appreciating the world around me more.
Right, let's go.
We had such a wonderful, relaxing time as well as an adventurous time.
So do you both know how to direct a movie?
We've tasted amazing cuisine every single day, but we also got to take in the beauty of this area. We went out to many different parks, took a lot of little small sightseeing road trips, witnessed so many beautiful sunsets. It is absolutely breathtaking.
I get to do things here that I've never done before in a wheelchair. There's a world out there that's ready to welcome me, and some really cool experiences to see, and amazing friends to travel with.